Hello, this is Mike. In this video, I shall demonstrate a way on using Excel Indirect function to generate a drop-down list with a ranger. This video is a series videos of my Excel tips and tricks regarding indirect function with its use cases. For the use case, I have prepared few ranges from the tab, ranges and tables. The range name is regions. Range is from D5 to D8. And also the types of each region's cells. The region names are AM underscore product, AS underscore product, EU underscore product, etc. How to create range from a formula bar? Please find and refer to the relevant Microsoft documents. Usually, when we have a range name, we may directly use it into data validation source formula to create the drop-down list. Let's create a drop-down list in cell C45 by data validation formula. Choose data in menu bar, data validation again. Choose list under allow box. Under source box, create the formula equals to the range regions. This is a way without indirect function, but it only refers to the named range statically. If we add indirect function in the formula, you will see we have a flexible way to changing the drop-down list dynamically according to which range we have referred to in the cell reference A44. Let's update the existing formula by using the cell reference A44, which has the text string regions. Under the indirect function in formula, choose A44 to replace the text string regions. Enter button. Now we have a dynamic drop-down list created with indirect function in C45. If we change in A44 regions to other named range, for example, AM underscore product, then our drop-down list is also changing in C45. By this idea, we may create a dependent drop-down list as in our next user case 5. In next video, I shall introduce a use case by using indirect function to consolidate a value by a created dependent drop-down list with the VLOOKUP function. Thank you and see you in next video.